do, Out of 20 million known chemical compounds, over 95% are the compounds of carbon. And do, The reason for such chemical diversity and magnitude of carbon compounds or organic compounds. One of the reasons of chemical diversity and magnitude of organic compounds is catenation. Catenation is derived from the Latin word catena, meaning chain. The carbon atoms can link to each other to form long chains. This chain can extend up to thousands of carbon atoms linking to each other. This self-linking ability of carbon is known as catenation. Silicon and few other elements can also form chains. But due to greater size of silicon, the longer chains become unstable, hence it can form only short chains. Hence, thousands of carbon atoms can link to one another, forming long chains. They can also join to form branch chains, or even rings. Hence, catenation contributes to the diversity and magnitude of organic compounds.